Hello kids. Today we are going to revise the lesson and solve the exercise. Okay? So, first of all, revise the lesson. Let us revise. 1. Delhi and Mumbai are the major metros in India. Delhi and Mumbai are the major metros in India. Delhi has a very rich historical heritage which is seen through its many ancient monuments. Delhi has a very rich historical heritage which is seen through its ancient monuments. We see ancient monuments in Delhi that shows it's a very rich historical heritage. Delhi is India's national capital while Mumbai is regarded as its commercial capital. Delhi is India's national capital and while the Mumbai is regarded as its a commercial capital. Both Delhi and Mumbai have numerous places of tourist attraction. Delhi and Mumbai both have numerous places of tourist attraction. Understood, my kids? Now we are going to solve the exercise. Exercise: fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. I hope you have read the lesson. Okay? Shall I start? A. Delhi experiences intense heat waves called Shu, Lu or tsunami. Answer is Lu. Delhi experiences intense heat waves that is called Lu. B1. The dash dash is the official residence of President of India. Rashtrapati Bhavan, Red Fort, Buland Darwaza. Which is the official residence of the President? Rashtrapati Bhavan. Right here, the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. Okay, now see. Mumbai is named after dash dash. Mumba Devi or Kali Mata or Mother Mary. Mumbai is named after Mumba Devi. Understood, my kids? Right here, Mumba Devi. Next, D. The dash dash are the original inhabitants of Mumbai. Kolis, Bhils or Gurjars. The dash dash are the original inhabitants of Mumbai. Kolis, Bhils or Gurjars. Answer is Kolis. The Kolis are the original inhabitants of Mumbai. Okay, kids? Here, fill in the blanks over. Next is question number 2. Match the columns. First, we should read the both columns, A column and B column. In A column, A. Diwan-e-Khas, B. Rashtrapati Bhavan, C. Hanging Garden, D. Lotus Temple. In B column, one residence of President of India, one residence of the residence of the President of India, 2. Delhi, 3. Meeting hall for the Nobels in Red Fort, 4. Mumbai. In B column, 1. Residence of the President of India, 2. Delhi, 3. Meeting hall for the Nobels in Red Fort, 4. Mumbai. Here reading over. So, Diwan-e-Khas, what is there? What is going on there? In Diwan-e-Khas, it is the residence of the President of India? No. Diwan-e-Khas, it is Delhi? In Delhi? No. It is a match to Delhi? No. Diwan-e-Khas meeting hall for the Nobels in Red Fort. Yes. Diwan-e-Khas, it is in Delhi, correct. But Diwan-e-Khas means what? Diwan-e-Khas means Delhi? No. Diwan-e-Khas means meeting hall. Diwan-e-Khas means meeting hall for the Nobels in Red Fort. Understood now? It is in Delhi, but it is a meeting hall. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan is a residence of the President of India. It is a Delhi or it is Mumbai. Rashtrapati Bhavan is residence of the President of India. Now, Hanging Garden. Where is the Hanging Garden? Hanging Garden, it is in Mumbai or it is in Delhi? Hanging Garden is in Mumbai. And Lotus Temple, it is in Delhi. Understood, no kids? This type, before match this one, both columns, you read that one perfectly. Then match that one. Now, we are going to see the question answers. Question number 3, answer the following questions. Describe the climate of Delhi. Describe the climate of Delhi. Turn the page. Read this one. Climate of Delhi. Delhi has an extreme climate with very hot summers from early April until July. The city experiences hot, dry winds called Lu during the summer months. Winter in the Delhi are bitterly cold, and the winter seasons in Delhi begins in the mid-December and goes until the mid-February. Okay? Here A's answer. It is the A's answer. Question B. Where is Mumbai located? Where is Mumbai located? See in this page. Location of Mumbai. This city is situated on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. It is the capital of the state of Maharashtra. Mumbai is situated on the western coast of India along the Arabian Sea. It is the capital of the Maharashtra state. Now question C. Name two personality belonging to Delhi and the Mumbai. Write any two persons' name. Those are belonging to Mumbai and Delhi. Look in this picture. Some famous personality from Mumbai. You write Ratan Tata or Medha Patkar, Hrithik Roshan, Homi Bhabha, Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar, Kumar Mangalam Birla, Utsad Zakir Hussain, Mukesh Ambani, M.F. Hussain. You write any two names for Mumbai famous personality, and you write any two names from this one, some famous personality of Delhi. Kiran Bedi, Shah Rukh Khan, Virendra Sehwag, Chetan Bhagat, Captain Arjun Nair, Khushwant Singh, Sanjeev Kapoor, Ajay Devgan, Sushil Kumar, Sardar Hasmi. You write any two from famous personality from Delhi and Mumbai. Now next question. Question D. What is the significance of the Amar Jawan Jyoti? What is the significance of Amar Jawan Jyoti? Look in this paragraph, kids. Read this one India Gate paragraph. This is modern monuments is located in Rajpath, the royal path that leads to the president's residence. An internal flame called the Amar Jawan Jyoti always burns here in a memory of the thousands of Indian soldiers who have laid down their lives for their countrymen and their beloved motherland. Understood, my kids? What is the significance of Amar Jawan Jyoti? Now, next question. Name the following. Name the following. A. Places of religious significance in Mumbai. Write any two places names. Those are related to religious significance. Religious significance. Read the lesson and write down that one. Understood now? I will write here Siddhi Vinayaka temple. First one is Siddhi Vinayak temple, one, and second one Haji Ali and Gopala Vipassana Pagoda. Understood now? You write in that one any two. Siddhi Vinayaka temple, Haji Ali. B. The garden in Rashtrapati Bhavan. What is the name of the garden? It is in Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Mughal garden. Name of that one garden is the Mughal garden. Now, see the hot wind blowing over Delhi in summer. Loo, that is called Loo. D. The sea along the city of Mumbai. Which sea is there along the city of Mumbai? Where is Mumbai located? Mumbai is situated on the western coast of India. Which city? Which along the Arabian Sea. Right here, the Arabian Sea. Mumbai city is located along the Arabian Sea. Understood, kids? This type you write down all, fill in the blanks, name the following, match the columns in textbook, and this one copy in your notebook along with these question answers. Understood, na kids? Thank you for watching the video.